If you want to keep a big garden tidy, you've got to think big. So strap in and let's get going. I'm talking about this 36 volt HP Whisper backpack blower. RYOBI's most powerful cordless blower ever and part of the Whisper series.
They're quietest blowers yet.
It's the ideal blower for people with large gardens who need to use it for an extended period of time. Its powerful HP brushless motor delivers over 230 kilometers an hour in airspeed and is designed to clear material quickly from large areas and wide spaces. Being part of the Whisper series means that it's super quiet. See, that's what a typical petrol blower sounds like. But thanks to our advanced noise reduction technology, this is what ours sound like. Quite the difference, eh? Because this blower is designed to tackle larger areas, RYOBI has added a secondary battery port. So when the first one runs out, the second one's going to kick right in. It has a variable trigger for greater control of the airflow, allowing you to better direct leaves along paths and into piles, making it easier to place them into the green bin, the compost heap, or just back into the garden. So when you need that extra burst of power to shift that last bit of stubborn debris, just hit the turbo button. The blower will automatically hold the turbo speed for a maximum of 2 minutes. After that, it deactivates. This way you'll preserve battery run times if you've got a lot to clean up. The cruise control function removes the need to continuously hold down the trigger, making the job less strenuous. These comfortable backpack straps are fully adjustable to get that perfect fit. So if you've got large areas to clear and don't want to be worn out doing it, get yourself a powerful 36 volt HP Whisper backpack blower from RYOBI. Maybe get one for your neighbour too.
RYOBI, a cut above.